Hey Robin, tell me a joke.
Your mom.
Hey there, entrepreneur! Today I will change the trajectory of your financial future if you let me. So think for a moment. Have you ever dreamed of starting your own online store but need more funds or resources to keep a physical inventory? Enter dropshipping. Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't support the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. The store never sees or handles the product. This eliminates the need for a significant upfront investment and allows for a more flexible, scalable business model. So are you ready to turn your entrepreneurial dreams into reality? Let's dive into the world of dropshipping and find out how you can make it work for you. Chapter 1. Finding your niche. The first step to starting a successful dropshipping business is finding your niche. Now, I know what you're thinking, but I'm interested in everything. Well, that's great, but let's narrow it down a bit. Clearly you don't want to sell Pokemon cards or teddy bears. Now that surely narrows it down a bit, so what's next? To find your niche, you need to ask yourself a few questions. What are you passionate about? What do you know a lot about? And most importantly, what's in demand? Take a few minutes to brainstorm and jot down your ideas. And don't worry if your niche isn't groundbreaking. Sometimes the most simple ideas are the most profitable. Chapter 2. Finding a supplier. Finding the right supplier is essential to your dropshipping success. The supplier is the backbone of your business, and if they are unreliable, it will reflect poorly on your brand. So you want to make sure that you find a supplier that is trustworthy, reliable, and able to deliver quality products in a timely manner. The first step in finding the right supplier is to do some research. Check out their website, see what products they offer, and look for reviews or testimonials from other customers. You want to make sure the supplier has a good reputation and that their products are of high quality. And watch out for red flags. You wouldn't want to do business with a supplier that only accepts payment through gift cards. Something about it sounds wrong.
Want to join my free gift card giveaway? Subscribe to my channel, like the video, and turn notifications on. And finally, tell me in the comments.
No, God!
Once you found a few suppliers that seem promising, it's time to reach out to them and see what kind of communication they have. Ask them about their process, their delivery times, and their return policy. A good supplier will be open and transparent and will have no problem answering your questions. And if you're feeling cheeky, you can ask them if they have any jokes. I mean, why not? If they can make you laugh, they might just be the right supplier for you.
Hey Robin, tell me a joke.
Your mom.
But seriously, you want to make sure they're responsive and professional. Another thing to keep in mind when finding the right supplier is to check their prices. You want to make sure they're competitive but not so cheap that it raises a red flag. If the price seems too good to be true, it probably is. Once you found a supplier that you like, it's time to test them out. Place a small order and see how quickly they deliver, and if the product is of high quality. If everything goes smoothly, you can then place a large order. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can even ask them to send you a sample, and you can do a taste test. I mean, why not? You never know, you might just find your new favorite snack. But in all seriousness, finding the right supplier is crucial to your dropshipping success. And it's a process that should not be taken lightly. Take your time, do your research, and make sure you find a supplier that you can trust and rely on. And who knows, you might just find a supplier who can make you laugh too. Chapter 3. Chapter 3. Chapter 3. Chapter 3. Setting up your online store. The next step is setting up your online store. There are a few e-commerce platforms you can use, like Shopify or WooCommerce. Choose the one that's right for you and start building your website. When setting up your store, it's important to make it look professional. You want to make a good first impression with your customers. Don't shock them with a store that looks like it was designed in paint. Last time I visited a store like that, I had to order a new card. Make sure your website is easy to navigate and includes all the information your customers need to know, like shipping times and return policies. And don't forget to make your store stand out. Add some personality, make it unique, and have a little fun with it. After all, you're starting your own business. You might as well enjoy it. I've seen a lot of success stories out there, people who started with nothing and ended up with a thriving business. And if they can do it, so can you. Of course, like any other business, there's no guarantee of success, but with the right attitude, hard work, and persistence, you can make it happen. And let's not forget, dropshipping allows you the flexibility to run your business from anywhere in the world. So if you're tired of the 9-to-5 grind, it might be time to take the leap and give dropshipping a shot. So, starting a successful dropshipping business is easier than you think. All you need is a niche, a supplier, and a professional-looking online store. I'm probably making it sound easy, but don't wait and find out for yourself. So, what are you waiting for? Get out there and start dropshipping today. Oh, and if you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on starting your own business. You will not want to miss out our next videos, where we dive much deeper in the essential steps of dropshipping and much more to help you escape the maze and instead hustle your way to success. See you in the next one.